Hey guys, what's going on? Darrell Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. Well, we make self-growing planters. These are self-growing planters. That's our label right there. All you do is put your seeds in this planter and it grows your food for you with no human intervention. And so I need to have me a good breakfast this morning, so I'm going to pick me some radish. Is that okay? And what we do for radish, we normally just buy the seeds and we throw them inside the planter. And the seeds, they grow. All you do is throw them in and you walk away. We don't feed this at all. We supplement, that's all we do. We do that for the radish maybe once every 15 days if you want to. And we get food all the time. And so I came out because I needed some breakfast. I've got over 9 planters to choose from, but these torpedo pots are the one I'm choosing from right now. And I'm going to move further down. And as you move further down, I'll move the camera with me. So I'm really just going after the big ones so I can cut them up and have them for a good meal. Oh, that's nice. That's big. Well, it's not that big, but it's big enough. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds in this planter. In this case, for the radish, even in the wintertime. You can have food all the time. There's no reason why you cannot have food all of the time. Torpedo pot grows it for you. So this is my food garden. I get to eat as much as I want or as little as I want. And I pick my food every chance I get. Now, I also have new seeds in here, so I'm harvesting, but I've also planted baby seeds in these planters. Right now, I would say we have about maybe 3,000 radish growing on the property right now, 3,000 radish. So running out of food is not my concern. I'm going to move further down. Let's move further down so I can look at some more. And so every planter can yield an abundant amount of food. Your torpedo pot can grow your food 365 days a year. I have health at my disposal all of the time. And all I have to do is go down and look. And look, it's here. I picked it. Isn't that amazing? That's called health. That's called food. That's called torpedo pot. It's a self-growing system that grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. Dude. And I just pick what I want when I want it. Find some big ones. The longer you let them sit, I mean, every 20 days I get to harvest new radish. Every 20 days. And I've got thousands of them growing at one time. I can have fresh food with never going to the supermarket again in my life. Let's try this one right here. Steer it at me. Isn't that beautiful? That's torpedo pot for you. You never water your plants. You never feed your plants. We only supplement. And look how cold it is. None of you are touching the ground. I've got pounds and hundreds of pounds of food growing all around me. What is wrong? Torpedo pot grows your food 365 days a year. You will never, ever have problem with food again. Let's go to the next one. And so I love my torpedo pot. I love it because all I do is walk up to this plant and I pull it out. And I never have to go to the supermarket again in my life. Because this is growing. Every 20 days I get a fresh harvest. As a matter of fact, every 5 to 10 days you can get a fresh harvest, depending upon if you're growing microgreens or the full radish itself. And look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. My God, and you're really just sitting and you're waiting for this to just come forth. Isn't that beautiful? You're not doing anything else. You don't have to do any work. You don't have to work in the ground. You don't have to turn it over. This is the wintertime. I'm growing fresh food in the wintertime. Dude, think of what's going on here. I don't have to turn any ground over. I don't have to do anything wrong. I just simply put these in my torpedo pot and watch them grow. These radish will grow in your torpedo pot. You don't have to do anything. I've got radish, I've got kale, I've got celery, I've got carrots. And my torpedo pot's growing. So my winter food is here. Let's go find another one. See if we can find some more. Oh, there's a nice one right here. Oh, wow. It's got to be over maybe about 50 radish in this one planter. I've got 9 planters, so about 500 radish. And then we got hundreds of other planters in the background. That should be enough for my breakfast. Honestly, I don't want to be a glutton. But I'm with you, so I'm trying to show off so you guys can see what we actually do. That looks pretty big. Let's try that one. Ooh, that's pretty big. Wow. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh, not big, but it was really hinched up in there. Man, look at that. Guys, these are torpedo pots. All I did was drop my seeds, my radish seeds in these planters, and every 20 days I'll have food. I let these stay in more than 20 days because I put about 75 seeds in there. The ones that grew the fastest, I harvest them as I need them. Now notice we got 9 planters. We've only covered 3-4 planters so far. Oh, that's okay. I don't want to get too many of them. Maybe 1 or 2 other big ones would be good. Sorry, guys. So I'm going to stop right now and leave the rest and start picking them a little bit later on. I don't want to overpick because I really don't need them. And I'm going to go in and have me some breakfast for my post-Christmas time. This is the food that you should be eating. These are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. I want you to get used to eating healthy, good food all of the time. Most of you, if you purchase this at a supermarket, you will pay a hefty fine for it. Most of you are paying between $11,000 to $24,000 a year in food. Dude, it's ridiculous. Stop it. Grow your own food, dude. I'm in the winter. I'm eating fine. I have no problems with food. Food is all around me. Your gardening is done. It's over. You cannot grow in the ground and keep polluting it at the same time. Everything is polluting the environment. Torpedo pot is a controlled growing environment that grows your food with no human intervention. If you don't have a torpedo pot, then you're probably not growing real food because we don't need fertilizers and any chemicals to grow our food. It grows naturally. We supplement, and that's it. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. I've got a lot more to do. I don't have the time to do it, but I'm very, very hungry. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye. Isn't that beautiful?